So these are other products I'm going to be using, guys. My homemade disinfectant spray. Well, I will be posting that video. I got to finish editing it. It's a really short video. My window cleaner, which is nothing but vinegar, a spring water, and a little bit of alcohol. And then we have this linen spray that I bought from Kohl's that I absolutely love, and you don't need a lot of this. I got this in December, guys, and it's still going strong, okay? And I sprayed my chairs, my living room, and all that great stuff with it. This is a container of Parmesan cheese from Aldi's that I kept, and I used this to put baking soda and a little bit of lavender in it. And I kind of shake it up and let it do its thing. And I put this on my rugs to make it smell good. And then I have a microfiber car washing glove and a microfiber cloth that I get from Harbor Freight for free. So that's all I'm using. All right, let's go. I simply cannot clean without my music, and it depends on my mood, what type of music I listen to. Let's get this room clean. Alright guys, some of you guys like to hear my voice when I am cleaning, so I'm going to do a cleaning video where I talk randomly throughout the video. This cleaning video was a little frustrating because when I went to edit, I found out that a lot of times my daughter did not press record. This was supposed to be a dining room full-on cleaning. I will be showing you guys how to Scotch guard your chairs. I already have that video up, so be looking out for that if it hadn't come out before this. And that same day, I literally cleaned my rug and cleaned the chairs and put the dining room back together. I had the table broken down and all that. And I literally did the full living room. And why can't we find any of the footage? I have no clue. So right now, I'm going to be using some of my DIY disinfectant, and I'm going to be putting this video out for you guys. It is uploaded. I just have not created a thumbnail for it to share with you guys. So that right there is my baking soda that I use. I put a little bit of lavender or citrus, whatever I decide, inside the baking soda, just the Arm & Hammer baking soda. And I use that on all my carpets to keep it fresh. So that's what I'm putting on there. And I'm using a old Parmesan, dry Parmesan container that I actually put the baking soda in. So I upcycle things and reuse them. And now I'm cleaning off my messy nightstand. Guys, this is what it looks like from me being sick. You see my little hospital footies and not feeling well. So I was not trying to clean anything, and I just let everything just pile up. And it is time to get it clean, so that's what I'm doing. And as you know, in that bottle, it's also some of my DIY window cleaner, which is a little bit of vinegar, alcohol, and water. If you are interested in me making these concoctions for you other than the disinfectant, please leave comments below and I will definitely do so. Guys, doesn't this plant look so real? I love it, love it, love it. I've had this fan for quite a while. I've got this fan from a seller off of Amazon almost, oh my gosh, like 7 months ago. And I definitely enjoy it. It is a bomb blowing fan. Like, it blows lots of air to be so small, but it gets so dirty. So I'm using Q-tips and some of my window cleaner just to get all the dust out of the crevices and to clean it, because when your fan is dusty, if you think about it, you're just blowing that right into your face and inhaling all that dirt that's collected in there. So make sure you clean those fans, especially your children's fans or any fans you might have around little babies. Because that's definitely not good to inhale that nasty crap. So that's what I'm doing, and that is my nightstand. And now we're going over to my hubby's nightstand. His nightstand is really simple. He doesn't really do too much on his side, but I'm just kind of, oh, you see that picture move? I think we have ghosts. I promise you we have ghosts. But anywho, back there is a oil burner from Walmart, and I usually cut that on after I'm cleaning and burn whatever oil is inside of there. Guys, if I haven't told you guys before, I got these lamps, not the shades, but I got these lamps off of Let Go for 20, I think it was 25 bucks. No, I think it was 20 for both of them. Great still. They are solid wood and beautiful. I wanted to paint them, but I don't think I will. So here I am, just getting all that stuff that was on top of my nightstand put away. And as you know, I have a loft style bed, so I store lots of things under my bed because my room is not huge and it's not a lot of space for dressers and all that extra stuff. So I want to keep it really minimum, and that's what I do by storing things under my bed. And here's a basket that I store, and this is just holding all my bras, some of my little kinky underwear, and then my daily underwear. And what I do is the roll method for my underwear as well, and I have them in a small little organization basket that I purchased from Aldi's that came in a set of 3, 1 big one and 2 little ones. So that's what you see here. And I just place that right back under my bed. For those of you who don't know, I use scrubs around my house when I am cleaning most of the time. Today I went out, so I didn't have the scrubs on, but I have several sets of scrubs, and I put all of those things in the closet, hung those up as well, and then I put away my hubby's things and called my daughter to get her things. So he has baskets as well, and he has his boxers and t-shirts and socks and stuff in baskets on his side, and this works so well for us. That way we don't have to have a cluttered room. I've seen so many people with small rooms and they have dressers all around them. I just can't do it. My anxiety will go crazy. So I definitely need to have my space and need to feel like my room is a relaxing place, because when you have so much noisy items, it actually bothers your sleep and it doesn't give you great sleep at night. So if you try decluttering your room and your space, I guarantee you'll get a better sleep. So I just shook my mattress protector just to make sure there wasn't any crumbs or anything on it. So now I am putting on my sheets. If you've been watching me for a while and watching my cleaning videos, you would know that I've always loved to put the white bedding on my bed, and I made a compromise with my hubby, and during the winter I had purchased this royal blue set. So what I do is interchange the two. So in the summer I'll put the royal blue as an accent on the bed, and then in the winter I'll put the white as an accent on the royal blue. So just a real thrifty way and frugal way to switch it up but not have to really redo the whole bedroom. So that's what I do. And if you're interested, those linen light gray Euro shams, I got those off of Amazon, and I love them. They are so amazing. I think they were like $12 a piece, but they are so worth it. And that was another implementation that I put in the room to make it a little bit more unisex and not so girly. This is his room as well, so that's why I did that. And I had to stop for a breakfast break. I love this little trash can from Five Below. You just take it out, dump it, and keep it moving. And it was actually $5. I'm thinking about giving that to my daughter and then getting me a different trash can, but we shall see. I purchased this mirror several years ago from Walmart. I think it was like 39 bucks. I think they're like really expensive now. I think they're like 60 bucks now. I'm not exactly sure, but if you're looking for a big mirror, you can definitely check out Walmart. And this is my Vizio TV. I actually got this refurbished off of, I think, Walmart.com. And guys, it is a 43 inch, and I paid like $219 with tax, which I cannot find them that cheap anymore. But here we go. I'm using my Sharp Vac, and I am vacuuming my floor. I love this Sharp Vac. I love it. It's easy to clean, it's easy to dump, the filter is easy to wash out. It's just a great vacuum cleaner. If you're looking to invest in a vacuum cleaner, I would suggest the Shark Vac. They now have, I believe, cordless. I got this one for QVC, and it's in my favorite color, lime green. I had this for some years now. I did a review on it and lost the footage. I was so heated. I can't stand when I lose footage because I like to share footage. I like to share these things with you guys. But yeah, I got this from QVC. That way you don't have to spend money and not like something and then have to worry about returning it and getting your money back. With QVC, you can make payments on it, and that was my first purchase from QVC, and I actually thought that it was a great purchase because the price was only $100, guys, $100 on QVC, and I was able to pay, I want to say 5 payments of $19 or something like that. So yeah, check out QVC. But that is me vacuuming, and moving on to the next task in the room, because the room is basically clean, guys. So So now it is time for my favorite part, spraying my bed with this awesome smelling linen spray that I got from Kohl's around December. Guys, this stuff lasts a long time and I use it several times throughout the week, and it is still not even lower than half a bottle, okay? So yes, it is so worth it. Now on to lighting this candle. Okay, please don't judge me, please. I know you're gonna ask, why is it that smoke is coming from a candle? Because I had to put it out because it didn't record the first time. So please don't judge me. But this candle was from Ross. It was $6.99 and it smells so amazing. If you're looking for candles that are very inexpensive, try Ross and Burlington, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, places like that. They usually have a lot of them on sale or on clearance. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will see you later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.